Last time, we talked about the possibility of alien life forms having reptilian intelligence under the triune brain model due to the R complex dominating their brain instead of the neocortex, as is the case with us humans. If you haven't seen the previous videos, check them out, the link is in the description below. But what if conditions on other worlds were such that the limbic brain, rather than the neocortex, came to represent the highest level of brain development? What would the behavior and mentality of such aliens be like? Today, we will explore the possibility of alien life forms in the universe that have acquired what we would call limbic intelligence. So let's dive right in and explore the mentality of aliens dominated by the limbic system. The limbic system, which overlays the reptilian brain in humans, appears to generate strong, vivid emotions of various kinds. This is the seat of endocrine glandular system, which is governed by the pituitary or master gland. The amygdala, which is a subsidiary gland, is known to regulate aspects of fear, aggression, and attack behavior. Hormones released into the bloodstream by the hypothalamus and thalamus control diverse functions such as hunger and thirst, attention span and anxiety, and visual retention. The oldest part of the limbic brain is the olfactory cortex, which does for smell what the higher auditory and visual centers do for sound and light. The hippocampus, another limbic structure, is believed to control a wide variety of mental functions, including short-term memory, sensitivity to pain, and sexual interest. There are reasons to suspect that the beginnings of individual altruism, neonatal and parental care, and even love may have followed the development of the limbic system in the evolving mammalian brain. Sentience, which is predominantly limbic, will be more subject to emotional distractions than other forms of intellect. These extraterrestrials may be unduly concerned with enhanced hunger, thirst, and other creature comforts of life. They might also be inordinately preoccupied with sex, even by the most lustful human standards. So, aliens with limbic intelligence would be extremely emotional and caring for their own kind. Because of their extreme sensitivity to pain, protecting their families and loved ones from it would be the highest of priorities for these creatures at any cost. Although they would be capable of experiencing fear, their emotional drive, in most cases, would make them act aggressively and attack whatever they feel threatens their own safety. Eating and drinking for these types of creatures would be one of the best pleasures of life. So most of their time could be spent snacking on various types of foods. They may even dedicate an entire field of study just to search for new ways to make their food and drinks tastier than they originally were. Moreover, because of their strong sex drives, they would be able to reproduce at a much rapid pace than any other alien race in comparison. But all of this doesn't mean that these aliens wouldn't have an effective army to protect themselves. Their enlarged amygdala, which is responsible for fight or flight response and aggressive attack behavior, would make them quite aggressive warriors whenever the need arises. Also, because of their ability to feel extreme love and compassion for their children and others in their community, they would make some of the most fearless soldiers in the face of conflict among any other alien race with a different tripartite neurosystem. And that is what aliens with limbic intelligence would be like. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, do leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content ahead. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.